We are having a Lilo and Stitch party. This is inspired by the new movie that's coming out, and who doesn't love Lilo and Stitch and Hawaii and warm and summer? And we love Brother. Now, our Brother embroidery machines are capable of Disney designs, and they have so many cute Lilo and Stitch designs. So, if you're looking for an embroidery machine and want the Disney, Brother's the way to go. Now, in this class, we're going to be celebrating the top of the line, the AVENEER. The AVENEER allows us to take things from our phone, like this picture that I found on Google, and turn it into stitches. Quickly, instantly, so much fun. Think of the variety of things you can embroider at the touch of a finger. We enjoy it, and I can't wait to share that with you. The Lilo and Stitch party is going to be great. I'm going to let everybody experience for themselves this fun, easy thing. We're going to do a little embroidery on a tote bag. Might not be this big, but it'll be fun. We are going to personalize a beach towel and get ready for summer. So come join that Lilo and Stitch party.